Okay, no sound, Windows error. So make sure to use this little trick. So double check if this help. No. Then click on Start menu and type here Services. Click on Services. In a new window, you should locate Windows Audio. So double click on it. Make sure it's switched on automatic. And make sure its service status is running. If no, click on Start, then click on Apply, OK. Then close the window. Next, what you can try to do is click on the Start menu again. Click on, type here Device Manager. Click on it. Scroll down and find Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. So expand it, select your definition audio. And here go to drivers and click on Update Driver. So make sure to select Browse My Computer and click on Next Text in order to update your driver. And after that, close all windows and restart your computer. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful.